Wizkid manager addressed someone who called her baby mama. Ubi Franklin advised to a guy who proposed to his girlfriend that they freeze entanglement with a married woman's saga. My correct people them when I remember Pastor Mike we been day before with Omega Fire Ministries. We come and call informer general overseer. Say informer general overseer don't take his wife away from him. Say informer general overseer will be Apostle Joseph Suleiman and his wife get something to do. Now he can call her out for social media. Alright, so my correct people them, the wife been don't come out to come talk like say she won't cry. Say why in go talk that kind thing against Apostle Joseph Suleiman. We take her like her own pikin. We be say she live with them even when she did small. Why he no enter her yonder? Why he no do anything? Say the man marry her as virgin. And now when she marry, Apostle Joseph Suleiman go won't do anything with him. Apostle Joseph Suleiman follow address the man, call him bitter soul. Say make him repent. So the man now today, don't come out to come they do confession. When they talk say waiting me talk no be true, say me they forgive him, Mona wash.
Good evening, fellow Nigerians and everyone around the world. In view of the issue that has been ongoing for the past weeks now, I have personally been on a spiritual sojourn, and I have received instructions from the Lord to take this step I'm taking right now. So personally, I want to apologize to my father in the Lord, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, and Mama Lizzie Johnson Suleiman, and Omega Fire Ministries around the world, for the frictions that were generated, and probably in the manner in which I reached out for help. I want to say I'm deeply sorry. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Alright, my correct people, them viral video where they make rounds for social media, where we say Ube Franklin follow Shukma for the video of guy kneel down, the big girl. Where in say in one engaged, say the girl no agree, he kneel down, they beggy the girl. So we'll watch the video before we see the mouths where Ube Franklin shook put for the mattress.
Say yes now. Say yes now.
Don't accept you.
What do you want? Like, are you okay? Stand up. Are you okay?
Say yes.
Guys,
say yes now, babe. Why are you like this?
Guys, I mean this.
So with Franklin, because if you engage a girl and she rejects the ring, move on, oh. I mean, move on, oh. I have been there, oh. If you do not move on and she agrees to marry you later in life, it will not work. Right, so my correct people, then why Ube Franklin they shall move on or when I say him and Nollywood actress, so they call her say Lillian Esoro. They've been done marry both white and traditional marriage. That year, my correct people them. The marriage no see the light of day, oh. No be small thing. Alright. Lillian Esoro herself been done celebration her birthday a couple of days back with beautiful photos. Not be small thing, no. This woman, I be I go say this lady, I be this girl, she is beautiful, and she is just so classy. See her concept is just on another level. I'm so loving this her birthday shoes. So my correct people them at the tell when I saying Lillian Esoro and Ube Franklin, they've been done married, and when Ube Franklin been approached Lilian Esoro, say won't marry her. Lilian Esoro no gree pata pata. See their pikin here, we God bless them with. She no gree pata pata. Oh, say she no go marry Ubi Franklin. But you know, family now. I believe her family they persuaded her. Say why now you and this boy una from the same place? Why you go Congo? Say you no go marry him. He's a young handsome guy. He's doing well. And that time Ubi Franklin been there for money because that time all in artists they were inside like them Techno and Co. They were on fire. They were everywhere. So Ubi Franklin been there for money. So they convinced her, you know, she married him. So Ubi Franklin now come marry her. Now he can't believe say in the free. Can't they fly like bird? Say till go they putty women belly up and down. It is say because he don't marry her, he don't finish. And Lilian Esoro file come say she don't tire Kuku myself. She be no even Kuku one from the beginning. Maybe her spirit been they tell her say in the womanizer. As everything will happen, there always be woman fault. Today Ubi Franklin they blame him on Lilian. Yes, he's indirectly blaming it on Lilian. That is because she wasn't interested in the first place. That's why, you know, she filed for divorce. You know, because now Lilian be first filed for divorce, she was not granted. Then Ubi Franklin can file for divorce. I think now this year, either last month, now they can finally conclude that their divorce mattress. So now him they talk say if you propose to lady she not accept, say no push him. Can't be like saying they try won't put the blame on Lilian. Say oh, and because I say she be no one from the beginning, then be say the marriage no last. Alright, so the lady were born Pekin with Wizkid, but then they call her say Jada Pollock. Don't come out to come warn people though. You know, won't call baby mama because she don't already throw away warning for ground and hair. So she don't want people say may they no call her baby mama again.
Alright, so my correct brother and ma read that for una. So person can write say supportive baby mama can put love emoji. Now she can say please take some time out to Google me and the meaning of what a baby mama means. Either title do not fit into the category. Thank you. Come put love emoji. Alright, so she don't give us assignment. Say more will Google know the meaning of baby mama. So more fall into Google now. Alright, let's fall into Google. Where my Google app? Okay, I got you. Alright, so what is the meaning of baby mama? Alright, so Google don't give us the meaning. He said a baby mama, in bracket also baby mama and baby mother, is a slang term for a mother who is not married to her child's father, although the term often carried other notations as well. So she follows him with Google her name. Alright, Jada Pollock. Alright, so my correct with them as I Google I'm gonna see, you know, the first thing will come out now her pictures, you know, and Wizkid yo picture, and also Wizkid and another woman that I believe is ex-girlfriend. So who is Wizkid manager? Who is Jada Pollock to Wizkid, who gave birth to Wizkid's son? Now the question where people they ask, then see Instagram, yeah, Jada Pollock Instagram photos. So more go see the Instagram son a fake Instagram because she get more than 1,000 something followers. I think she's heading to 200,000 followers, you know, the last time I checked. So this one are the photo where that person where they impersonate her put. So when you Google her name, everything that's written about her is mostly associated, related, connected to Wizkid. So yeah, then now basically you know, once you Google her, mostly Wizkid, no much things about, you know, her personally. But Pollock biography family, may we read, you know, some things where they write about her. They say music manager best known for Wizkid work with Wizkid, whom she has helped connect with a number of big name artists, most notably Drake. She is also a stylist who previously worked for Gucci. Before fame, she attended St. Saviour's and St. Olive's School and the University of Westminster, both located in London, England. I think what she wants basically now for people to know her, like, you know, Wizkid manager, you know, give her that respect. Yeah, this now Wizkid manager. I'll stop saying Wizkid baby mama. Like, compare the two titles now, Wizkid manager and Wizkid baby mama. Which one get respect past? So she no want that. I think she wants her to be addressed as his manager. All right, so my cry people then wanna know big when they happen for Daddy Freeze side. Say Ingo enter person wife yonder. Yes, so go enter person wife yonder when she been still there married to another man. All right, so say they don't find 5 million. Yes, so to go enter married woman yonder when she never tie force him. Because of that same act, the woman too don't receive her own punishment, as the talk say they go collect the children away from her. Grant the papa of the children custody. So many people don't talk against the mattress, say the court, you know, do well. So more we hear from them. So first person here, Nollywood actress Uche Elenu talks say, how can the custody of children be given to a man after 9 years of filing for a divorce? What exactly is tame adultery in this case? Women should not be marginalized and subdued to staying in an abusive marriage. 9 years on a divorce proceeding is very unrealistic and unfair. The law is not always right. Why do men like to punish women in marriage? Is 9 years too short a time for a woman to heal and move on with her life? Is the trauma of domestic abuse not enough? I stand with at Test Boot Angel. Be strong, sis, healing and moving on to a deserving life is no crime. Alright, so my character people all this one would they talk now. Grandma make a break and down for una. Alright, so this woman be done file for divorce since 9 years ago. Court no grant divorce, like it took a whole lot of time. So for this time, you know, where the thing takes so 9, the woman after like 3 years, I mean 2 years, now she come meet with Daddy Freeze. You know, Daddy Freeze come oil her engine. So now that one now they pain, you know, her ex-husband say she committed adultery while still in marriage. Meanwhile, woman been down fight for divorce since now court no grant grant and divorce. So finally after 9 years, so they can say they won't grant the divorce. Now they can say Daddy Freeze go pay 5 million. Then her husband go take custody of the children. So 9 people they speak so say the thing no make sense at all. Nothing they pain wicked men like to see say the woman where they been they do anyhow, they treat anyhow, don't move on, and she's living happily ever after. They think they pepper them. At the day when I say get one man where I know, where tell person where I know say you say if you leave this marriage, your London don't fall, everything don't fall. Which man won't take you in again?
Our legal system did not answer the woman for 9 years, 1 month. But now when the man has come forward now to say she committed adultery, the court is ruling in his favor, telling her that she will lose custody of the children. I've been reading up on this case of Daddy Freeze being asked to pay 5 million by a court, claiming that he committed adultery with a married woman. This married woman being his present wife. This married woman's marriage to her ex-husband is being dissolved in 2021 February in favor of her ex-husband, claiming that she committed adultery with Daddy Freeze in 2015 or thereabouts. But this same woman had already filed for divorce since 2012. Our legal system did not answer the woman for 9 years, 1 month. But now when the man has come forward now to say she committed adultery, the court is ruling in his favor, telling her that she will lose custody of the children. Now, you're saying she committed adultery with somebody in 2015 or thereabouts, but she already filed for divorce even 3 years before that time. She wanted out of that marriage already, legally wanted out of that marriage. How do we do this type of things to women in this side of the world? How do we use our legal system to cheat our women? Because there's a lot of bullshit that women go through on this side that will not happen in developed countries. Now, I don't think anyone can even prove that she knew that it freeze when she filed for divorce. The reason why this story is touching me is because I was so close to my mom. So when her friends were going through this type of bullshit, I saw how they were bullied by the man having the financial power to fund one son or the other and bully the woman into submission. This is why we lock a lot of girls in marriages where they'll beat them. Is until somebody dies from domestic violence that will now know that, oh, shit is real. Talking about domestic violence, this woman put out medical reports of being domestically abused. And she already filed for divorce. Nothing was done. Now the man has come. You're not saying you're dissolved. Somebody help me make sense of this. Today is International Women's Day. Women, these are the kind of stories you need to look into. Even if you don't like that it freeze, your dislike of a person should not be more than your love for justice. Because one day it might come around and hit you or your family member. Somebody help me add this up. How do we cheat our women like this? Somebody says she not do again. Long legal system not do anything. Then the man comes, you now rule in his favor and say she committed adultery. 3 years. 3 years. So are you telling me that even the man has not been with anybody for the 9 years? He has just stayed put because the legal system had not dissolved the marriage yet. Cut the crap. Somebody help me make sense of this story.